Do you want to know? Do you really want to hear? The message is coming, and it's loud and clear. Do you really care about the things you need to know? The message is coming, and it's something that we all should know.
Now it's a message, I gotta send it out. I'm saying thanks to the man upstairs, without a doubt. It's all about making it happen. You see, I'm up for good this time, I'm finished napping. We gotta keep the soul for it, so we kill the noise and the crime till we feel for it. So do you really wanna know now how we got this far? This time, peace up the ball. We keep it on the same mission, we going way to the top. This time you better listen, cause you see, I ain't missing the spot. When I look at the clock this time, then it tick tock. I must spark the mode, cause it's on. Stating the facts on track until it's sold. Now you see, P's in it to win, and it's not for show. Do you really wanna know?
Do you wanna know? Do you really care? The message coming is so loud and clear. Do you really care about what you need to know? The message coming, so listen to the flow.
It's time to listen up to another flow, another one from the man with the plan. I know you know, you'll surely find as I unwind, keeping it real this time on an incline. It's all about catching your thoughts, cause when you figure out the thing that's real and what's not, I must keep the dream growing as I bless the track this time, cause it shows it. Cause time will only tell when it's over. Wishing upon a star and a clover. You see, it takes crews to move. Stop wasting your time on lives, you'll surely lose. It's 1999, so feel my rhyme. As I look in your face, you'll surely shine. You see,